Welcome to another episode of Let's Microwave This. Well, Andrew's not here today because he had to go and do something somewhere. So we're going to microwave another... Where did the item go? Carrie. What? Cell phone.
Dude, that's my cell phone. For real, dude, what's your problem?
Record it.
Dude, that phone's shot.
It's on fire.
I think you need a new phone.
Just let it burn.
I wonder who was on that phone.
Yeah.
Must have been one hot chick.
Look at the smoke coming out of it. Film the smoke coming out of it. Step back a little. Film the smoke coming out of it. Look at all the smoke coming out of it. Look, the fire's jumping around the phone. The microwave is black. You can't see inside the microwave. Oh my God.